a home of love and unity. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy had a beautiful home surrounded by lush green fields and colorful flowers. His home was always filled with warmth and laughter, and Timmy cherished every moment spent there. One sunny day, as Timmy played in his backyard, he noticed a little bird struggling to build its nest. Feeling a wave of compassion, Timmy decided to help. He gathered twigs, leaves, and soft feathers, carefully creating a cozy nest for the tired bird. The grateful bird chirped happily and made Timmy's home its new haven. Word quickly spread about Timmy's act of kindness, and soon other animals started seeking refuge in his home, including a mother rabbit, a family of squirrels, and even a wise old owl found solace under Timmy's roof. Timmy's home became a sanctuary for all creatures, big and small. As the years passed, Timmy's home flourished with life. The animals and birds coexisted peacefully, forming a loving community. Timmy learned the importance of sharing and caring for others, no matter how different they were. His home became a shining example of unity and compassion. One day, a storm approached the village, bringing strong winds and heavy rain. Timmy worried about his newfound friends and their safety. With determination, he gathered everyone inside his home. They huddled together, supporting one another and weathering the storm as a family. After the storm subsided, the sun emerged, shining brightly once again. Timmy's home stood strong, and the animals rejoiced. They realized that through their unity and love, they had overcome the challenges that came their way. From that day on, Timmy's home became a symbol of kindness and unity in the village. The animals and birds never forgot the love they found there and continued to share it with others. And so, children, remember that a home is not just made of bricks and mortar. It is built with love, compassion, and the willingness to help others. No matter how big or small, your home can be a place of warmth and acceptance where everyone feels loved and valued. Thanks for watching.